I cannot believe this is real. This is happening. It's just one of those moments where you are so happy you want to cry. Guess what? Major Sephora haul. Makeup is one of those things that I probably can live without, but if I get it, I wouldn't say no. And this is every girl's dream, to get tons of makeup for free. So today what we're going to do is all of these products, right? We are going to unbox them, open them, and see what this is all about. I know you're just as excited as I am, so without any further ado, let's pick the first tiny Sephora bag. I'm sorry to disrespect you. Obviously, beauty is strength and beauty is creative. I agree. Cleansing Wand by Wishful, right? It's used to scrub your face using the cleansing gel that you get. The next one is Fable and Mane Amla Soothing Serum for Hair. Okay, so this is a nourishing treatment enriched with amla, which is Indian gooseberry, packed with vitamin C, conditioner, crown chakra. It's for your scalp. It's a nice scent. So you can start applying oil on your scalp. I put it here because I don't want to spoil my hair. So these are the two products founded by Salama. Khalid Al-Amiri, his wife, right? The YouTubers and the TikTokers. So it's the couple, and this is her products. Oat Kernel Oil-like Essence. It's not scented, it's not highly scented, which I like. I don't like scented creams. It's very light. But it's really light, but it does smooth your skin. It does make your skin feel soft. So that's actually interesting. And this is her Everglow Moisturizer. So all of Salama's products are inspired by Korean makeup because she loves how simple it is. It does make your skin soft. I like it. This is another one, which is Beauty Blender Bounce Powder. It's a setting powder. Setting powder by Beauty Blender. I just love this pink color, but I think I'm growing out of pink and I'm more into beige. Should I try it? I'm gonna spoil my makeup if I try it, but I'm gonna show it to you how this works. And then take some, wet the beauty blender, and put it under your eye. That's nice. Do you see the difference? Maybe you cannot. That's a good one. It's just called Buff. So if you are my skin tone, you could get it. It's a good one. Okay, so this is a rare beauty product, Selena Gomez. This is not my color, but let's try it out anyway. Very light hands. You can't even see it on my hand, but very silky smooth. I don't know if it's gonna last. So pretty. It can be used as a keychain as well. This is a shade that would go well with my mom. This nude stick is so good. It's so beautiful. It can be used as a highlighter. You just have to put highlighter or something shimmery on your cheekbones, wherever there's light that falls on your face, right? Which is the bridge of your nose, your cheekbones. That's it. That would give you the right kind of glow. Don't put it all over your face. Brow wax. This is the Too Faced brow wax. I don't know why people put the brow wax. I'm not so much into it. Maybe if you have some really bushy eyebrows, that's when you do it. Oh, this is amazing. This is by Glow Recipe, and this one is the Salicylic Serum. This is everybody talking about this. Is a very nice serum, and what this does is for clarifying and re-texturizing. Nice. It's got a whole lot of information inside the packaging. So sweet, right? Then the next up is the Drunk Elephant Eye Balm. Guys, this is like the big thing. Everybody talks about this. It's the eye cream, and these days all my life I never put eye cream, but now for the past 2 months I've started putting it religiously, and I've seen major difference to my eyes. My dark circles is reduced completely. You get dark circles and you get pigmentation and all of these things when there's not enough blood circulation and when your skin is dry. So you need to always make sure that you're putting eye cream around your eyes before you sleep, before you put makeup. Just put it all the time. So eye creams are very, very important, especially after you are past 30 years old. So I just turned 30 this year. So with the name, you might think it's founded by an Indian person. It's not. It's by an American stay-at-home mom. She founded it in 2012. I like the design. It looks cute. Then comes the I don't even know what to pronounce it. This is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. It's got vitamin C, so it's gonna brighten around your eyes. Then comes another one of Selena Gomez, Rare Beauty. Oh, it's a nice, pretty color. I would like to try this on. Got me looking all rough. Nice shade, right? Then comes the Kayali. So this is Huda Beauty's. Very nice. It's the Love Fest Burning Cherry. Yeah, it smells very fruity, quite unlike Huda Beauty's products. Their perfumes are more oud. Good one. Okay, so now we're done with the small package. Let's move on to the big one. Beautiful. This is the Tarte 2 New Party Ready Palettes. Gilded and Glamour. 36 new shades. Tarte product. I love Tarte. I love Tarte more than Huda Beauty. Although there's a lot of people. I mean, Huda Beauty is also quite famous, and everyone, all the makeup bloggers have Huda Beauty. But then I feel like Huda Beauty's pigments are really big. So when you apply it on top of your eyelids, it looks more like you're dressing up for a stage show or like a dance or something like that. But this one looks very nice and seamless. It doesn't stand out. Every time I put a Huda Beauty eyeshadow and then I just remove it. I go back to Tarte. I've never put anything properly. It's such a mess in here. I'm making such a big, massive mess here, okay? So these are the two palettes. This one is Glamour. And then comes, wow, Gilded. Gilded looks amazing. I want to try it on right now. I want to try it on right now, right now. So this is the shade that I tried on my eyes right now. This is absolutely gorgeous. Do it better, blinding smiles, an on-point style. They can play well. They are amazing shades. These are really, really amazing shades. Let me just show you. This one is a Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna open Huda Beauty's. This is Empowered by Huda Beauty. An on-point style. They can play well. I had tried an orange shade, and I'm gonna try Do It. Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all. So can you see, I'm not sure if it's visible to you, but can you see that the pigments stand out? It doesn't blend in beautifully as a Tarte eyeshadow palette, a Tarte eyeshadow would blend in with your eyes. This color looks different on camera. Courageous is a very unique looking shade. Huda Beauty certainly have some really nice shades, especially for parties to stand out, but I wish the pigments were a little bit more smaller. Up next is the Huda Beauty Nude Sticks. Cute. This one, for example, is the Rustic Grotto. It's a nice shade. This is really good. It's going to be much easier to apply this on your eyes and just go out. These are some really nice colors that would suit our skin tone. I love Rustic. This one is amazing. So this is the Fenty Skin Fat Water. I have never seen this with any of the other brands. This one is a milky toner. Usually toners are just too light, but this product is not thin like a toner. It's milky, just like how it says. It's milky, like oat milk. It feels like oat milk. Next up have is Wishful Sleeping Mask. I like Wishful products. You're fine. They're okay. Aww. Oh, nice. Oh, it smells amazing. There's cherry, carrot, hemp seed oil. Oh, it's so thick. Leave-in butter by Virtue. It's a curl leave-in butter. So if you have curly hair, then you just leave this in and let it dry. Having curly hair throughout might be very hard to manage, but one day in a week to have a different hairstyle would have been nice. Tatcha is another Japanese brand. Deep Cleanser. So this is an exfoliating cleanser. Then there is a cleansing oil, and then you have the cleansing oil. So you first put the cleansing oil, then you do the deep cleanse, and finally the silk cream. So that's what this product is all about. Finally, there's a perfume here. My daughter is here, so I'm sure you want to meet her. Can you bring her in? Hello, crying. Why is my boo-boo crying? Oh, don't cry. What are you eating?
Dear baby.
So we have come to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do say like and subscribe to my channel.
Bye bye.
See you again next week. Bye.